Circus peanuts. I'm gonna get some of these and try them because I've actually never ate one. You ready?
It's recording.
So I'm gonna try these Circus peanuts. Spangler Circus peanuts to be exact. And just a little forewarning, if you're allergic to peanuts, you can still eat these because they're not real peanuts. It immediately smells like bubble gum. See, look at that. Look at that. I don't know if it's too close. It's out of focus. Yeah, just looks like a peanut somewhat. All right. What did you make me buy? It's like I'm eating bubble gum. It almost has that texture, but then it's marshmallowy. Not bad. Not bad. Can't believe I went like 39 years of my life and never ate one of these. But it's definitely something different. And if you grow up eating these and you think I'm an idiot for acting like this is crazy, new, and wild, I'm sorry. Not too bad.